China, cherry, charge, chocolate, challenge, cheese, chunk, chairman. Now with CH falling in the middle. Keychain, lunchbox, Richard, picture. That's a tricky one. It's 2 syllables. You pronounce it picture, picture. Teacher, fortune, nature, beach ball. Now with CH at the ends of words. Detach, teach, porch, march, patch, wrench. Notice the strong R sound at the beginning of that word. Wrench, coach, approach, also with a strong R sound. Approach. Very good. Let's try this exercise. Chop, chop, children. It's Charlie's Kitchen Adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Very good. Okay, now let's practice words with the voiced American J sound. We'll start with the J sound at the beginning of words. Keep in mind that these sounds can be spelled with both the letter J or the letter G. Here we go. Juice, jump, juggle, jury, Japan, giant, genetic, junior, generate, German. Now in the middle of words. Algebra, legend, magic, subject, digest, rejoice, objective, majesty, educate. That has also an unusual pronunciation. Let me break it down for you. Educate, educate, Educate. Next one, suggestion. This one's also a bit tricky. Suggestion. Suggestion. Very good. Now the American J sound at the ends of words. Be sure to keep the voicing going throughout the whole word. Age. It's not H, it's age with a voiced ending. College. Postage. Stage. Pledge. Village. Average. Page. Courage. Knowledge. Very good. Now, this paragraph coming up is filled with American J sounds. Don't forget to voice those endings. Here we go. A German judge and jury have charged and jailed a strange giant who sat on the edge of a bridge throwing jelly onto large barges. Very good. You know, later on